Have you ever wondered what it would like if businesses could directly advertise inside ChatGPT? Well, that's what exactly OpenAI Ads Manager makes possible. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create and launch your first ad campaign from scratch using OpenAI Ads Manager. So let's jump right into it. So we are currently inside the Ads Manager dashboard. To create a new campaign, click the Create button in the top right corner. Let's start with the campaign name first. A good naming convention makes campaign management much easier later, especially when you are running multiple campaigns. For this example, I am naming this campaign Intellemo US Clicks June 24. Next, we need to choose the campaign type. Standard gives us full control over campaign creation like ad groups and ads, while product feed is designed for catalog-based advertising. Since we are building everything manually, I'll select standard. Now let's choose our objective. Basically, the objective tells the platform what outcome we are trying to achieve. You can optimize it for reach or clicks. Since our goal is to drive traffic to the Intellemo website, I'm selecting clicks over here. Now we will select our target location. In this example, we are targeting users from United States, which means the campaign will only be eligible to appear in the selected region. Now let's set our budget. I'll choose a daily budget and set it to $100. This budget controls the maximum amount we are willing to spend each day on the campaign basically. Below that, you will see an optional conversion event section. Here we are selecting inner transaction as our conversion event. This allows us to track users who move beyond simply visiting the website and begin taking meaningful actions. Finally, choose your campaign start date. You can also set an end date if you want the campaign to stop automatically after a specific period. Once everything looks good, click on next. Now we are inside ad group section. Think of the ad group as layer where we define bidding, landing pages and contextual relevance. Let's start by naming the ad group. I'll call this one US website traffic. Next is the maximum CPC bid. CPC stands for cost per click. This value represents the highest amount we are willing to pay whenever someone clicks our ad. In this example, we are setting a bid for approx $3. If your bid is too low, the platform may warn that delivery could be limited, so finding the right balance is very important over here. Now let's add our default ad URL. So basically this will be the destination users will be visiting after clicking on the advertisement. I'll use the Intellemo homepage over here. Below that we have context hints. Context hints help OpenAI understand the type of conversations where you are and may be relevant. For Intellemo, we can add topics like AI video generation, text to video, video maker, AI video tools, content creation, social media videos, and marketing videos and business growth. These aren't exact keywords, instead they are signals that help the platform find relevant opportunities to show your ad. Once that's done, click next to configure the ad itself. Now we are creating the actual advertisement that users will see. First, let's give the ad an internal name. I'll use Intellemo Growth Advert. Now we will add the final landing page URL. Now let's create the headline. The headline is the first thing people notice, so you should clearly communicate value. For this example, we'll use Intellemo capture the attention of your audience. Next comes the description. The description provides additional context and helps convince users to click. A simple example could be create cinematic AI videos like never before. Finally, let's upload the ad image. For the best results, use a square PNG or JPG image with clear branding and minimal text. Now we are at the review stage. Before publishing any campaign, take a moment to double check everything. Once everything looks correct, click create campaign. Your campaign will now be submitted and become available for delivery based on the platform's review and auction system. From the dashboard, you will be able to monitor impression, clicks, spend, and overall campaign performance. And that's it. You have successfully created and launched your first ad campaign using OpenAI Ads Manager. If you're a business owner, marketer, or an agency, it is a great time to start experimenting with advertising inside AI-powered experiences while the ecosystem is still in its early stages. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, you can tap it down in the comment section and we'll see you next time. Till then, thank you so much.